Hello guys, so good afternoon. So now I get the right way, so I'm struggling for my soft case battery because it's stated there in the ARRMA VORTEX. This ARRMA VORTEX stated to use a hard case battery, but I bought already. I forgot to see that this is soft case and it's a long battery for Traxxas. It's a 3-cell battery, so and it's very long, so I figure it out for how many minutes or hour I struggling. So what I did first, I go for the foam in here to make it fit because it's too long, and then when you open the box from this car it's shorter. So what I did, I already, even this one, I take off the strap, but now I get it because they made the strap convertible. So what I can say to you guys, do not touch this one because it's convertible to, it's like you're not when you put your battery that is stated in here, it goes like this because it's short, straight away, boom. But this one, I got the long battery, even my 4-cell battery. I have also bigger battery, 5000 4-cell, and this is also 3-cell battery. Only the thickness is the difference, but it's long. So even this 4-cell, I just only try, so it can go straight away, stand here, boom, hook and hook straight. But the 4-cell or 5-cell battery is not fit already in here, so guys, because see this gap is, it's not wide. So the 4-cell still good, but the perfect one, because this is only 2 or 3-cell battery for this VORTEX, so it's perfect straight away like this. And then go strap, and then there's a technique for this, guys. So in the original battery for this, the short one, this will go straight like this because it's flush. But if you stand your battery like this, you have to put this down. This one, you have to put this down, go in there, and then strap in here. So this one is already, you strap this already, but I have to demo for you guys. So you just do, it's only the same way like this, and then you just put your Traxxas here, and then you just push this down, this plate here on the bottom. So when you lock it, guys, this also holds down. If you can see what I see here, this also will holds down at the bottom to make your battery secure. See, it also secure here in the side, in here. So this is very tricky, guys. They put it already. It's a combination, same what I did in this one. So this one, you gonna flip this down like this, flip it down, and then you have to strap. If you can get a longer strap for this, it's nice, but this one is good already. It's not easy, guys, because I put it down, but if you do like this, not just insert this belt screw while this is still in the top. I'm gonna bend for a while like this, and then strap so it goes already, and then put it down. Similar to the other side. Boom! And you can put it down in here or just like that. So it's so very solid, guys. It's so solid. It is solid, guys, here, because this one goes in the side and also in the side, so it never loose. And this is a long soft battery like this. So because I have my Traxxas battery, so I don't spend more money for the battery. I just also use my DIY connector, so Traxxas to EC5 connector. So first, this is my first time to power up this little guy in here. So let's see. Let's power up. So first thing first, we're gonna grab the remote. This is our remote. So we're gonna put some battery in here, and it's very good because they include a battery. The battery is in here. You can use this battery here. I completed already. It's so nice. Nice ARRMA. I think I talking about Traxxas. This is ARRMA. Sorry. Yeah, because I am an ARRMA lovers, but now I shift to Traxxas lovers, but I shift to ARRMA because of my ARRMA Notorious. Because my ARRMA Notorious, guys, is so beast in the stunt. I get my wide max and I'm not enjoying much. I'm enjoying more. So when I get the wide max, that's the time I enjoy. And so it's in here. So first time to, so guys, it's my first time to power up this baby. So it goes blinking and solid red. So I'm gonna power this 3-cell Traxxas battery and then power up. That's it. So I think I'm gonna do this Steering. Wow, so fast. Nice. So we're gonna try. Let's see, guys, if this. So what we gonna do? Okay. All this working. I'm gonna put our cover. Put the cover on. This is a clip cover. I'm trying to figure it out. That's it. This one. That's not it. Okay. It's holding on. So let's see this guy how it work inside. Let's see how this perform inside in my room. Go in the 50. So let's center the steering. I think the clip is not. I think the clip's not. See it. Okay, nice. On the brake. So I think I'm done, guys. So I like it. So I see some problem with the clip. It's in sideways. Maybe we're gonna click that one properly. Let's see why it's not clipping. Let's take this off. That's it. So you need to support here. So now it's balanced. Now it's balanced. Okay. So this must be perfect. Very nice. So you see. Perfect. Nice one, ARRMA. And then excited to bash outside. And here's my notorious. I'm gonna change that tires. Make it a bigger habit. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.